Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explore a clever solution to a seemingly complex problem. The question is, if x plus 1 over x equal to minus 1, then you have to find x power 512 plus 1 over x power 512. We need to find this value. Let's solve the problem step by step. Given x plus 1 by x equal to minus 1, if you do square on both sides, then you will get left hand side it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So if we use the formula a plus b whole square, the formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So if we use the formula here, then you will get x power 2 plus b power 2 plus 2 times a times b. Here x and here x cancel. So then you are left only 2 here. That is equal to, right hand side we have minus 1 whole power 2, which is 1 only. So the x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2, that is equal to, if we send this 2 to right hand side, then you will get 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So after squaring, you got x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2, the value is minus 1. Consider this as equation 1. If you multiply x on both sides with this equation 1, then you will get x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2. If you multiply both sides by x, so x times x power 2, which is x power 3 plus x over x power 2. Here 1 x cancel. Then you are left only 1 over x. That is equal to minus x. This 1 over x, if you send to right hand side, then we will get minus 1 over x. That is equal to x power 3. So x power 3, here minus and here minus. So minus, take it as common. So we are left with x plus 1 over x. X plus 1 over x, that is given value. The given value is minus 1. So minus and minus is plus. So x power 3, the value is plus 1. After simplifying, we got x power 3 equal to 1. And also x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2, that is equal to minus 1. So we got two values. Now observe the question. Now we have x raised to the power of 512. X raised to the power of 512, if you convert in terms of 2 and 3, that is easy to us, because if you convert in 2 and 3, we know the x power 3 value and we know x power 2 value. So that's why try to convert this 512 in terms of 2 and 3. So this, first observe the number 512. This 512, we can write this as 510 plus 2. And again 510, we can write this as 3 times 170. X power 512, we can write this as 3 times 170 plus 2. Now it is in the form of a power m plus n. This is m, this is n. We can write this as a power m times a power n. That means we can write this as x power m, that is 3 times 170 times x raised to the power of 2. Now observe only this. It is in the form of a power m n. We can write this as a power m whole power n. So we can write this in terms of a power m whole power n. So that means x power 3 whole power 170 times x power 2. And we know that x power 3, the value is 1. See here, x power 3, the value is 1. That means you can write this 1 power 170 times x power 2. 1 power 170, the value is 1 only. So 1 times x power 2, the value is x power 2. After simplifying this x raised to the power 512, we got x power 2. After simplifying this x raised to the power of 512, we got x power 2. Now let's take the question. X raised to the power of 512 plus 1 over x raised to the power of 512, that is equal to x raised to the power of 512, the value is x power 2 plus 1 over x raised to the power of 512. After simplifying, we got x raised to the power of 2. So from the equation 1, x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over x raised to the power of 2, the value is minus 1. So minus 1. So that means x raised to the power of 512 plus 1 over x raised to the power of 512. The value is minus 1. Like that, simply we can find using algebraic techniques.